That was random. You're like, oh, it's videoing. Whack, whack.
It's videoing.
Let's just shank Alex in the leg.
Yeah, totally.
Ow! Like the
Shank
rock
you.
from the Rock collection. Granite.
You've been checking out Sam's rock collection.
No! You know how we had to bring that stuff in for social studies? Well, he had a rock,
Oh god.
and I took it. It was rectangular.
Oh, no.
It was not that kind of rock, you retard. It wasn't,
retard, you
it wasn't a left nut or anything. Well, it could have
I don't
been.
even know what a left
Oh my god! That looks so wrong. No, it looks that part. That part looks so wrong.
Don't you?
Oh my god. Do that thing when you were laying down. It looks like it has a face.
Ew, it's a dick.
It looks like it has a face.
Hi guys, how are you?
That's where the semen comes.
Semen.
Semen. Be jizzed. And I jizzed in my pants.
Oh my god. Jizz my pants.
I thought you were
Remember when we were in your aunt's car after I got my hair cut last summer? You like
oh
cooked
my
the
god.
radio and just
She
busted out laughing.
turned on
for
off and I just
nothing.
sat there and I poked it twice.
No, you poked it twice real quick and then we just busted out laughing at nothing.
I am not in this video. I want to be in this.
Then get in the video. Hi guys. What am I looking at?
Shit.
Oh yeah. Hi guys.
You have to go.
No, I don't. I didn't do that the first time.
I was like this. I was like this, but no, but you had it like that.
No, I didn't. Stop playing with my penis.
I didn't know you had a 1-inch pinch.
This is it.
Oh no, I forgot. That's a foot-long dog.
Dude, cut the crap. It's funny, I'm giving birth here.
Ew.
You actually, ew. Oh my god, ew, get away from me.
Ow.
Ah, get off me.